Hi guys! So, usapang business, ano nga ba yung business namin? Marami kaming businesses, marami kaming tinayo, marami kaming sinara. I think that's really how businesses work. You got to find out kung ano yung magwo-work for your family or magwo-work for your lifestyle. So currently, we have a few businesses, but one of the biggest family business we have is the one started by my husband. The name is Faircom. It's Farecom, Farecom. Our website is www.farecom or faircom.ph. Just go to that website. All our details are there. Our services are forwarding, logistics, so FCL full container load or loose cargoes. We do consolidation abroad. We also do sourcing if you want to get products from China, Japan, Korea, basta anywhere in the world. So if you have a business and if you need things or kahit hindi kayo business, for example, you're just an individual and you want to bring in some furnitures or goods, we can assist you anywhere abroad to anywhere in the Philippines and also export anywhere in the Philippines to anywhere abroad. At the same time, locally, domestically, we can also assist you kasi we have trucks. Ayan, as a matter of fact, we're here right now in Howo, Quezon City because we are adding unit, another unit to our family, to our fleet. So that one, if you are in need of any of those services, please do not hesitate to contact us. I will put all our details below. Husband is there, but he cannot drive truck. He's just testing it out. We will be able to, I think, bring out the truck after 3 or 4 days once the check payment is processed. And also, of course, the documents for the truck has been released. So, ma-release na yung truck, our process with the LTFRB begins. I think sometimes a month, sometimes more than a month na pa-process yung ating franchise for the truck. Hopefully, the additional truck will bring us more blessings. So sa mga clients namin, thank you so much for supporting us and for always getting our services. So here we are. We already went upstairs and paid for this. So of course, we're not going to bring it out. We're just testing it out because this is our actual unit. We just promise to give you value all the time, good rates, honesty and loyalty. No?
Pressure.
Okay, so boss, what did you purchase today?
Bumili tayo ng Howo NX430 para sa mga kargamento natin sa pier.
So what's your expectation with this additional unit to your fleet?
More service to cater sa mga kliyente, saka ano, more sakit ng ulo sa mga driver.
Congratulations,
Thank you, my
boss!
love. Thank you so much, my love. It's because of you.
Nakakapitit yarn. Bye, guys!